Howdy folks. As always, out walking the dogs again, enjoying the fresh air. What a lovely day. I'm about 3k away from where I live. And quite an elevated position, so it's a bit breezy. Hope you can hear this okay. I'm just gonna show you what I'm looking at. It's quite amazing, isn't it? From this distance, from where I live, if I concentrate and zone in, I can hear a vehicle from here. That's the environment in which I live. That's the openness, the space, the quiet, the tranquility. I would say at about 500 meters, half a k from where I live, if you're on foot, I can hear you. Unless you are a very good operator. But I can see you. And it's these kind of things that I practice maybe once a week. Pick a point on my property and I'll stand and I'll listen. For something like this, the wind can distort sound and audio. It can make it a bit annoying. But the wind also carries sound. And I like practice listening and watching, just to keep my senses sharpened, tuned in. Because you never know. As well as the peace and tranquility. Car coming. At least he was going slow. As well as the peace and tranquility, there are many other advantages too. living here. It's just an observation, just a little ramble, that's all. Might not interest you, maybe it will.